to the men we're calling the hate Sena. And in fact, they used a potent weapon, ridicule, sending pink underwear to the Sri Ram Sena chief Pramod Mutalik. But did the Pink Chaddi campaign, which just captured the nation's imagination, did it have the desired effect?
When the consortium of pub-going loose forward women started an internet campaign collecting pink underwear to be gifted to the members of right-wing Hindutva group, the Sri Ram Sena, even they probably didn't imagine its success. The campaign has become all the rage with men and women wanting to shame the Sri Ram Sena for attacking girls at a pub in Mangalore. Protesters include housewives and middle-aged men, all drawn by the appeal of the young women. To defy and embarrass the moral police, trying to terrorize and divide citizens in the name of religion and preserving so-called Indian culture. The internet group swelled from a few hundred to more than 30,000 members, just in a few days, each posting their own pink panty protest on the internet. Underwear with political messages, some artistic, some funny representations of freedom and liberty, all with an aim to send across a message to the ever-multiplying fundamentalist groups in the country. But is the message getting through? Look at these pictures. The Sena men are happy to receive the underwear. Far from being shamed, they look proud displaying them to the cameras. Much in the same way that they took pride in kicking and beating up the girls at the pub in Mangalore.
Well, the battle lines were clearly drawn between the saffron and the pink. In fact, the people belonging to those fringe groups said they would send pink saris back to the women who sent them those gifts. Well, also across the country, women are planning to come out in large numbers to go to pubs. In fact, there's a pub Bharo Andolan that's happening right here in the national capital. And Gargi Rawat joins me now from one of those pubs in Delhi. Gargi, what's the buzz?
Right, hi Ankita. Well, as you said, a pub Bharo Andolan, and I'm here with a couple of young people who've just felt the need to really come out here and just have a drink in a pub just to prove a point. But before I go to them, I just like to say in the capital today, we have seen more police out in various places, in marketplaces, in Connaught Place, Delhi University. Also, I've been speaking to some activists of the National Panthers Party. Their activists have been spread out across the city, really armed with pepper sprays and chili powder, even just to come to the rescue of any couples who are harassed by the Saffron Brigade, by the right-wing groups. Well, let me go across to my guests here. Hi, why did you feel the need that you had to come out today, to a pub?
Only just to prove that this ridiculous notion of Indian culture to say that women don't go to pubs. I mean, we're all Indian women. We can dress how we like, we can do what we like, and it's just ridiculous to say that if you're an Indian woman, it's against Indian culture to go to pubs. It's just to make that point.
Right, and you must have been following what's been going on in Mangalore of late, women coming under attack, and the Saffron Brigade or this Ram Sena saying that, it's against Indian culture, women should not go to pubs.
Yeah, I totally agree with Diya here because we have to prove a point that we've come out here, and here's my drink. And
here's Pink
Chaddis, yes.
Right, okay. Bit of an accident there. Okay, and you've also come here, and why did you feel the need to make a point?
It's great that this movement has started and a lot of people have signed up and they're getting a message across. Hopefully the message gets across. So it's just a way to show solidarity with the movement and the women who've been attacked, and hopefully this doesn't happen again.
Right, and do you feel this is just a way for people like us really to kind of make a point? It's been on the internet, this Pink Chaddi campaign, the pub Bharo Andolan, and of course it is girls in Mangalore, on the outskirts of Mangalore, who are being attacked, but is this our way really of showing solidarity?
Yeah, I guess it is. It's just a way to let them know that they can't be defined by somebody's narrow confines of culture, and that everyone has their own notion of who they are and their individuality and their Indianness, and nobody should be policing them around on what they're doing.
Right. Well, Ankita, as you can see, some young people, this bar, of course, is yet to fill up. And so really just trying to make the point that they can't be defined by any one group. This pub culture and, women should not go to pubs. And so people really just trying to make a point in their own way, really, to say that do not try to confine us to these definitions and let us be. And everybody here is like a professional, and everybody here is someone who is contributing to society in their own way.